Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a little review, walk around Harbor Freight 8-drawer machinist wooden toolbox. Let's take a look. This will be the last video of the year. Happy New Year to everybody. I hope everybody's safe through Christmas and always be safe through the new year. Let's take a look here. Got your 3 locks, your 3 latches. This one here locks as well. Inside, mirror. Nice little cubby hole there for y'all. Got 2 sets of keys as well. Assuming this would be here. These keys here. Maybe not. But anyway, this one goes here. This will lock yours. Unlock it. It folds down. Folds in, as well as you can have a little. Got 2 big drawers. And 6 of your small drawers here. Bought it for my wife for her Christmas. Did her little diamond dots and whatnot. But anyway, Harbor Freight 8-drawer wooden machinist toolbox. Has your 2 sets of keys. Alright everybody, once again, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. Put in the comments of any video you guys might want to see, whether it's automotive or anything. Got your leather handle. On the bottom, got your rubber little feet there. Alright everybody, welcome back. Thank you, appreciate it. Enjoy your holidays. Happy New Year to everybody.